Hi everyone, so welcome back. As you probably can tell, I already have a makeup that you already saw. So we're not gonna do this makeup, but I'm gonna show you how to transform this look right here into a gangster clown. So I got the idea right after doing this makeup and I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Let's do it 2-in-1. So buckle up. We're gonna just change some accessories. So we're gonna change shirt and then I'm gonna be back. So this is the shirt that we had before and we're back. So this is the flannel that I chose, but first of all we're gonna change this makeup into a clown makeup. So let's get started. I don't know if it's gonna be a voiceover or not. Should I do a voiceover? Maybe I should. I don't know, I feel like sometimes I just get into my zone and I cannot like fully talk, so bear with me if that happened. I'll just switch to voiceover. Wait, I'm looking for something. I think you can like, I think I'm just gonna put water and like put all my hair in the back like that. Yeah, I think that's, you know, badass. Let's switch that to, should we do like a line like this? I don't know, but I already know what I want here, so let's start with that. So I'm gonna use, my favorite is NYX eyeliner, and I feel like it's just gonna be super graphic, so yeah. I'm just gonna do like line like that and connect it to, ooh, that's nice. See, and I made a mistake, but I think it's prettier like that. Am I filming? Yes. Great, and now we're just gonna connect that and fill in between. So mainly the only thing that you need is an eyeliner. See, we're already getting there, getting the vibe. I don't really have any image in mind and I'm improvising, so hopefully it turns out good. But I always liked this super pointy. Ooh, I also like these. Let's connect them together. What did I just do? I really love this eyeliner. Just in general, I feel like this is the best picking eyeliner for everything you want. I really love the bottom, so we're gonna recreate that on the other side and hopefully it's even. They're clearly not even. Clowns are literally never perfect anyway. But this sounds fun. Should I do the other eye? No, I feel like I should do something different here. Ooh, wait. That's cute, right? What should we do for tattoos? You can pretty much do whatever you want. Let's do the lips. Clowns. That's fun, right? Now, what should we do? Because I feel like I love the dainty little sword. Woo! Don't break it. Okay, I think I saved it. What we're gonna do is wanna create the clown mouth, but we're gonna like brush it like a smoky eye, like just like I did here. I think it's gonna be so sick. So I don't know if I'm gonna do the eyeliner first. I think I'm gonna do the eyeshadow first. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take a teeny brush. So this one, which is just a flat brush, and you can take any black eyeshadow. It really doesn't matter. And we're gonna come here and smoke. And a little more. And then what you want to do is just take a poof brush. Let's use this one. So it's not really this one, but it's usually look like this.
Smoke it a little bit more. And now you can, you know, get past that line that you did and really smoked it out.
Yeah. And we're gonna smoke underneath. make sense. I mean, I hope it does, because I'll have a lot of trouble editing this if it doesn't. And please, you know, get creative. Add the things that you like. If you don't like the smoke mouth, don't do it, because I'm regretting it right now. I suggest buying like a lot of jewelry, like fake ones, you know, the big chains and things like that. If you have some at home, please reuse those. I think you can even like go thrift shopping and find cute things to help you with the look. What did I do with the lipstick? I would like to know. I would like to know, where do I put my stuff? Right in front of me. Right in front of me. Okay, so we're gonna take another brush. What's new here? And we're gonna try blending the eyeshadow with it. If you have trouble doing that, you can just take the black lipstick that I just showed you from NYX and mix it so that it's more like even. And when you're gonna mix it, the colors are gonna blend together. It's gonna create like a, you know, just darker burgundy. I'm gonna show you. And voila. So nice. But you can do it with powder, because like I said, the lipstick is just pigment and a cream product. But if you do it with powder, just mix it with a little bit of the dark lipstick that you have at home, and that's pretty much it. This thing right here, it's bugging me. And I think it's just because of the way my mouth is, and I don't think I can do anything about it. But I'm gonna try anyway, because that's how I am. It's 9:30. I think it's the last call to call my mom and show her the makeup. Nice. Nice. Okay, I'm stuck. I will stop touching it, because I could be here for like hours just fixing the fucking mouth. And I think, is it really necessary? There's people is gonna see that it's uneven. Not really. And if it is, please leave a comment. That will help a lot. Okay, enough is enough. That's nice. And now, what you can do, you can buy it. Actually, I think if you're doing this as a costume, buying it might be like a best thing to do, because I think it will look cooler. But I just literally had this idea, you know, maybe 20 minutes ago. So we're gonna use wirl and just well, that's the best that I can do. And I don't really know what I feel about it. Yeah, I don't know. Not really smart, girl. Not really smart. Okay, let's move on. Now, last thing we're gonna do, maybe some fake tattoos.
literally just put like fake tattoos on. Like there's a bunch of them at the dollar store.
Obviously, I'm getting tired. I've been filming for 3 hours and 45 minutes, so I don't think these are gonna be my best work. Something like that. We can even do like dollar signs, since it's a gangster clown. I like that. See, we're adding things up. So this is pretty much like free.
It's just, you know, some examples like tattoos that you can do. What else could I do? Alright, I think it's giving her character. What else? I don't know.
Okay, so the next step is just adding chain. I'm using a bag because, like I said, I had this idea so last minute. So what I'm gonna do is twist it. Wait, how did I do it? I think I did that, right? Yes. Just like that. And no one would ever know, right? Yay, finally. But I cannot move. And this is the final look. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Let me know if you try it and the compliments you got on it and what accessories you choose. And I will see you tomorrow in tomorrow's look.